So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use and redeem your PayPal gift card online. So in order to use a PayPal promotional gift or merchant code, you can open the notification emails that you got 30 days for 30 days and you can click on activate. So if you want to activate and redeem your PayPal gift card online, so you can go to your specific PayPal gift card. And you can go to a redeem link or get it like that. So you can get some more information. So you can get those gift cards through your mail. And you can do a couple of different things. So from your mail, click on activate and you can shop online to the supported merchant website and choose PayPal as your payment method. Another thing that you can do is to go to your app and go to your wallet and click on wallet or add a card on there. So once you've added that specific card, you can link the card, input the prepaid card number, expiration date, and security code or CVV, just like you would with a normal debit card, and select that at checkout. So choose that gift card at checkout for your general balance during your next online transaction. So that's a way to use it, not to redeem it to get your balance, but you can use the funds from it for your next purchase. So it's sort of a shortcut to getting to using that card on some merchant website. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on PayPal or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.